Welcome to Gelcare's YouTube channel. My name is Emilie. I'm a French-Canadian nail artist, owner of Gelcare and of the Manoir nail salon in Montreal. In this video, I will show you how to create the half moon design. This design was created in the 1930s and has remained a classic ever since. In addition to creating an elongating effect, this design minimizes the appearance of regrowth. Before you begin the design, prep your nails and apply base coat. If you have any questions about these steps, please check out our core technique how-to video. Start your design by applying one coat of a semi-translucent color on your entire nail bed. For this tutorial, we chose Nude Bébé Crème as the base color. The tone fits perfectly with Cabernet and enhances the natural color of your nail bed. Let's take a second to review some key techniques to achieve an even application. The best practice is to apply thin coats using long fluid brush strokes from the cuticles to the nail edge. This technique helps to evenly spread the pigment of your color without creating streaks. Once you have finished with the application of your bottom layer, cure for a 30-second cycle. We are now ready to apply the color you have chosen for your half moon design. Start off by wiping off the excessive gel off your brush. Now, for the most challenging part of the design, imagine a dot on each side of your nail close to your cuticle. Glide the corner of your brush from one dot to another with a long fluid movement, creating an arc. It is ideal here to create an arc in one smooth motion. Just like when you apply liquid eyeliner, you need to have confidence in your movement or it will end up shaky. It is the rhythm of the brush stroke that will help to create that perfect curve. If you don't like the placement or the shape of your curve, don't worry, you can easily remove it with a lint-free cotton pad and a little bit of alcohol. One of the pluses of working with gel instead of polish is that you can always redo your artwork until you're satisfied with the result, without affecting the gel you previously cured. One of the techniques to perfect your curve is to use upward micro movements, as Maria is demonstrating. When you correct your half moon curve, make sure to compare with your other nails so that the negative space matches across your hand as best as possible. This is very important to achieve a symmetrical result. To get in the corner where the curve meets your cuticle, angle your brush to increase the precision. If the gel touches your skin, no worries, simply remove it using a lint-free cotton pad and a little bit of alcohol before you complete the next curing cycle. Always work on one nail at a time and cure as you go to ensure you don't mess up your gel application. A little reminder here, dark red will always be one of the most difficult colors to apply because of the type of pigment. It is super important to control the level of gel on your brush to avoid areas with lighter and darker spots. Once again, apply thin coats with a very light hand for an even application with no streaks. Once you're happy with your artwork, cure for 30 seconds. Apply 2 to 3 thin coats of gel until you achieve your desired opacity. Layer each additional coat as close as you can to the coat before to achieve defined curves. We are now ready for top coat. As you're now applying your top coat, your nude bébé crème negative space won't be stained by your color. Because the formulation of Gelcare is 100% gel, you won't experience any color transfer. A dream for every nail artist. Cure for a full 3 minutes to optimize the shine and the strength of your manicure. Voila! Now you have all Gelcare's team tips and tricks for a perfect half moon nail art effect. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe to Gelcare's channel. If you create your half moon look using this tutorial, tag gelcare.official on Instagram so we can like your manicure and share it with our community. Leave a comment in the section below if you have any questions and we will gladly help you. If you're looking to purchase our products, rendez-vous on lemanoir.com. À la prochaine!